Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today I went to the mailbox, guys, and we have another package all the way from Wichita Falls, Texas, by one of the subscribers to the channel. His name is Mr. Roman Barreras. I hope I said that name correctly. Mr. Roman, I certainly appreciate this, buddy. I appreciate it so much, but we are fixing to open this up and find out what's inside. Wichita Falls is 917 miles away from here. Check this out. The Leatherman. Ooh, look at that blade. Sharp as a razor. Found that at a pawn shop. $25. Looks brand new. Whoa. Wow. How about that, guys? He sent us a little Christmas card here to the Knife Doctor. I would like to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas. I enjoy watching your channel, and I'm learning more about knives. I have found some items that I think you will be able to find use for or repurpose. Thank you for your service to our country. Mr. Roman, thank you, buddy. And he's an Army vet. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate your service too. Happy 2024 and God bless you. Thank you, Mr. Roman. Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate this card. This is going to go on my refrigerator. I appreciate it, man. So much. Ooh, boy. Look at that ball peen hammer. I already know what that is. Roman, thank you, buddy. I always like to use these, man. Thank you so much, buddy. That's got some good weight to it, too. That is nice, man. Let's see if it's got any markings on it. I can't tell. But, hey, thank you so much for that. The wood handle looks good. Yes, sir. Nice, buddy. Appreciate this, Mr. Roman. Let's see what this is. Check that book out, y'all. Wow. It's nice. Be able to use this for parts. I sure will. The springs are in excellent shape. The handles are in excellent shape. I'll put this in my parts pile. Thank you, buddy. That is so nice of you. Nice Barlow. Imperial. That blade looks good. All it needs is to be cleaned up a little bit, and I think she'll get her snap back. Look at that Barlow, y'all. That's nice. Thank you. Thank you so much, buddy. Let's see. Whoa, that's a case, ain't it? I think it is a case. That's where the shield went, I think. See where the two pins are? Man, this is nice. Let's see what year this is. I have to get a screwdriver. I think that's a hen and rooster right there, ain't it? It is. That's a hen and rooster. Well, that had me fooled now. Check that out. That's an old one, too. These are made in Germany. See there? How about that? That's very nice, buddy. I appreciate that. That's bone, too. That's a nice, large Stockman right there. Be able to use it for parts. That's an old hen and rooster right there. What's this one? Like a fishing knife. Cutmaster. That's nice, buddy. Thank you so much, buddy. I just seen one of these the other day. Not a Cutmaster, but I think it was an Imperial. But that's a fishing knife. Use that to get the hook out of its mouth. Use that to clean the scales off. And that's a bottle opener. And of course, that's just your main blade. About like a fillet knife. It's real thin. That's a nice knife, man. I'll clean it up now. Ain't nothing wrong with this knife at all. I'll clean it up. The handle's coming off, but we'll fix this one up. Thank you, buddy. Whoa, a lighter. There it is. Thank you so much, buddy. Very nice. Thank you, Mr. Roman. I'll get to the big one last. Whoa, a nice little screwdriver. How about that? A wooden handle. And it's USA. USA made. How about that? I'll clean it up. I'll put it up here in my little tool section right there. That is so nice, buddy. Appreciate it. Okay, a lock. Buddy, thank you for this. I can always use locks, man. Thank you. That's a nice lock, buddy. Thank you so much. I like that. I need one right now. Oh, look at that, y'all. A hatchet head. That's pulling out nails there. Dude, this is nice, man. I will clean this up and put a handle in here. This is awesome, man. Thank you so much. I'll see if there's any. It's like there's some type of marking right there. This is nice, man. Thank you, Mr. Roman. Wow. Let's see what this one is, man. Whoa. Oh, wow, man. What is this? God almighty. Look at this thing, man. USMC. How about that, y'all? Dude. This is going to be so cool to make. United States Marine Corps. Thank you, buddy. Mr. Roman. I appreciate this so much, buddy. You just don't know, man. I'm going to put I don't know what I'm going to put back here yet. Either wood or deer. I don't know if I've got another antler that big. I'll figure something out, though. But that is so cool, man. United States Marine Corps. Hoorah. Wow. That is nice, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mr. Barrera sent this all the way from Wichita Falls, Texas. Right there, right below Oklahoma. From the great state of Texas. Mr. Barrera, thank you, buddy. Mr. Roman, I hope I'm saying your last name right. But thank you for your service, buddy. But he sent that. That's me right here. I'm 917 miles away. Mr. Roman, thank you so much for all these gifts, buddy. I appreciate it so much. And I will clean these up, put some of them in parts piles, and that USMC knife here, and it's already got a good edge on it. I'm gonna put a handle on it, clean it up. It's gonna be nice, man. It's gonna be nice. Guys, at the time when I was filming this video, I did not realize that this big knife was an original USMC. They call it a Bolo Knife. It was used in the Pacific fighting the Japanese, clearing brush or jungle. It's a machete. I knew it was kind of a machete, but I did not realize it was an authentic Marine Corps knife. The handles were originally wood. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put a new edge on it. Put wood handles on it. Put new pins. This is going to be a fun project. Mr. Roman, thank you so much for this knife, buddy. I will cherish this. Matter of fact, I'm going to also get somebody to make me a sheath for it. It come in a original sheath. It was like wide, but I'm gonna get somebody to make me a leather sheath, or I might attempt to make a leather sheath for this. But it is so nice, man. Thank you, Mr. Rome. I'm gonna put this Christmas card on my refrigerator today. Thank y'all. But guys, I always thank y'all and appreciate every knife that y'all sent me, whether it be parts, whether it be a lighter, a lock, a axe head. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank y'all, guys, and I just thank y'all for thinking of me, or thinking enough of me to send me stuff like this. Thank y'all so much. But Mr. Roman Barreras, thank you for your service, buddy. I know you're an Army vet. Thank you, and thank you again for all this stuff. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I just want to say God bless y'all, and until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.